Dear students, today we will start exercise 6.11 multiplication of fractions by a whole number. Question number 1, 4 by 7 into 6. 4 by 7 is a fraction, but 6 is a whole number. First write down 6 by 1. Now we are getting two fractions. First check we can cancel any term or not. How we will cancel here? We will check that the numerators and the denominators. The numerators can be cancelled with the denominators only. But here 4 and 7 they don't have any common factor. Similarly 6 and 7 don't have any common factor. We can't cancel them. So now we will do multiplication. Multiply numerator with the numerators. 4 into 6 divided by 7 into 1. 4 6 are 24, 7 1s are 7. 24 by 7. After that transform it to a mixed fraction because this is an improper fraction. We already have done like this type of sums that when in answer we are getting any improper fraction, we have to transform it to mixed fraction. Question number 3. 7 by 9 into 10. First write down 10 by 1. 7 and 9 don't have any common factor. Similarly 9 and 10 don't have any common factor. So multiply the numerators 7 into 10 and then the denominators 9 into 1. 7 tens are 17, 9 ones are 9. Then transform it to mixed fraction. Similarly sum number 6, 3 by 7 into 5. First write down 5 by 1. Then multiply the numerators 3 into 5 and the denominators 7 into 1. 3 5s are 15, 7 1s are 7. Two whole number 1 by 7. Question number 8. 3 by 7 into 3. First write down 3 by 1. Here also we can cancel the terms, multiply the numerators and the denominators. 3 into 3 9, 7 into 1 7. One whole number 2 by 7. 7 by 9 into 5. First write down 5 by 1. Here also we can cancel the numerator with denominator. So multiply 7 into 5 and 9 into 1. 7 5s are 35, 9 1s are 9. That is equal to 3 whole number 8 by 9. 3 by 20 into 0. When we are multiplying 0 with any number or a fraction, we will get 0 only. 6 by 11 into 1. We are multiplying 1 with a fraction. We will get that fraction only. 6 by 11. 18. 3 by 4 into 20 kilometer. So here 4 and 20. These are common factor. So first cancel this. 2 2s are 4, 2 10s are 20. Then 2 1s are 1, 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15 and in denominator we are getting 1. 15 by 1 and 15 both are similar, so I am writing only 15. Now in the question unit kilometer is given, so when you are writing the answer must write down the unit kilometer. So what we are doing here, suppose we are taking an example, this one fraction and whole number. First write down the whole number in the form of a fraction. 7 by 9 into 5 by 1. Then check you can cancel the terms or not. You can cancel a numerator with a denominator only. 7 and 9 don't have any common factor, so we can cancel. 5 and 9 don't have any common factor, so we can cancel. After that we have to multiply. How we will multiply? Multiply numerator with numerators only. 7 into 5 and the denominators 9 into 1. 7 5s are 35, 9 1s are 9. Hence we are getting an improper fraction. Transform it to mixed fraction. Then exercise 6.12. Here also we are doing multiplication of fractions. 2 by 5 into 1 by 8. 2 and 8. 2 is in numerator and 8 is in denominator. So we can cancel. 2 4s are 8. Now multiply the terms. 1 1s are 1, 5 4s are 20. 1 by 20. Question number 3. 3 by 5 into 2 by 3. In numerator it is 3 and in denominator it is 3, so we can cancel them. Now 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 5. Question number 5. 1 by 5 into 3 by 4. 3 and 4 don't have any common factor. Similarly 3 and 5 don't have any common factor, so we have to multiply the numerators. 1 3s are 3 and then the denominators. 5 4s are 20. 3 by 20. Sum number 6. 7 by 7 into 3 by 4. Here 7 is numerator and another 7 is in denominator, so we can cancel them. 3 and 4 don't have any common fraction, so this will be your answer. And here 3 ones are 3 and 4 ones are 4, so you are getting 3 by 4 as your answer. Question number 10. 4 by 5 into 10 by 13. 5 and 10 have common factor. 5 2s are 10. Now 4 and 2 both are in numerator, so we can't cancel them because we can cancel a numerator with a denominator only. So now we have to multiply. 4 2s are 8, 13 ones are 13, 8 by 13. Here 15 by 49 into 14 by 45. 14 and 49 have common factor 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14. 15 and 45 also have common factor 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 15s are 45. Now 5 and 15, 5 3s are 15. Now multiply the numerators. 2 1s are 2 and the denominator 7 3s are 21, 2 by 21. Sum number B part 2. 3 whole number 1 by 5 by 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction. First transform it to improper fraction. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 16, so 16 by 5. By means in place of by write down multiplication sign into half. Now cancel the numerator with the denominator. 2 6 8 are 16. 8 by 5 is your answer. Now this is an improper fraction. Transform it to mixed fraction. So when in your question a mixed fraction is given, first transform it to improper fraction. Then in place of by write down multiplication sign. After that do the multiplication. Similarly question number 4. 5 whole number 1 by 10. First transform it to improper fraction, that is 51 by 10. 5 tens are 50, 50 plus 1 51. In place of by write down multiplication sign into 3 by 17. Now 17 3s are 51. 3 and 3 both are in the numerator, so we can cancel them. 3 3s are 9 and 10 1s are 10. 9 by 10 is your answer. Question number 5. 15 by 1 whole number 1 by 5. First 15 is a whole number. Write down 15 by 1. Then 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 by 5. Here we can cancel. 5 3s are 15. 3 and 6 both are in the numerator, so we have to multiply them. 3 6 are 18 and in denominator only 1 is here. 1 1s are 1. Now 18 by 1 means 18, so write down 18 as your answer. 3 whole number 1 by 5 by 3 by 8. This is similar process. First transform it to improper fraction, then cancel them. Question number 2. 3 whole number 3 by 7 of 2 whole number 4 by 5. First we will transform them to improper fraction and in place of write down multiplication sign. 7 2s are 14. Now multiply the numerators. 24 into 2 48. 1 5s are 5. That is equal to 9 whole number 3 by 5. This is also in mixed fraction. First transform it to improper fraction. Here check, you can cancel any term or not. We can cancel the numerators with the denominators only. 31 and 5 don't have any common factor. 11 5 don't have any common factor. Similarly 31 15 don't have any common factor and 11 and 15 also don't have any common factor. So we have to multiply the numerators. 31 into 11 and 15 into 5. Now one thing is there, 15 and 5 has a common factor, but we can't cancel them because they are in denominator. We can cancel the numerator with the denominators only, but they both are in denominator, so we can't cancel them. After that, multiply the terms and transform it to mixed fraction. And students, from 7th September our half yearly examination will start. We will be using Telegram to send the question papers during the half yearly exam. So install Telegram on your mobile. Thank you children.